Hi friends, I have an unboxing today of Twilight Garden Wax. Here it is. Let's open the seal and see what's inside. Some information about stuff that she has upcoming. She will have a pre-order just started on August 3rd for a Halloween box, and it will close on August 15th. Not sure whether I'm going to buy that, although Halloween is my favorite. I just have to watch my pennies. And she's apologizing. Feel better, feel better. She's apologizing that her carpal tunnel has flared up, so writing is painful, so she had to write these, type these up versus writing them. Girl, please. It's alright. And then, as usual, information on how to care for your wax, how to wait for it to cure, how to melt your wax, that stuff. A little goodie bag with the usual stuffs that we've had the last time, which was, oh, there's a little sticker right here as well. But it's a tea and another sticker. There's like a Twinings tea and the fortune teller and the Biscoff cracker. All right, that's staples in her packaging actually, so that's why I didn't really talk about that too much. As usual, she's trying to make me fatter than I am. Candy! Alright, so what do we have here? What did I get? I'm trying to see if there's somewhere I can put this stuff before it gets all over my floor, because I'm really not cleaning too well nowadays. It has been confirmed my foot is broken. So, yeah, I can't really do as much as I'd like to do. So, all right. So cute. Okay, sorry. All right, so the first item that I see in here is a Radiant Maple Lane, and that was $3.50. Scent profile is apple cider, smoky and woodsy notes, caramel, cinnamon, clove, and nutmeg. Sounds like it smells amazing. This smells like memories of fall. That's not bakery goods. That's not candy. It just smells like fall. I love this. And I love that I'm going to be able to chop that joint up and have it several days. All right. Next thing that I have here is champagne toast. And literally, I didn't know what the scent notes were. I just saw the shapes and I was like, I need me some of that. We have the different summertime shapes. Let me show you guys. We have little dolphin. We have a little octopus. We have, I can't tell what kind of fish this is because there's so much shimmer and the flash is getting to me. It's a little fishy. I don't know what this is. It looks like a little ducky or something. But anyway, here's a starfish. This is full of different shapes and it smells awesome. And again, this is champagne toast. Did I say toast earlier? I don't know what I was thinking. All right, it's a fresh blend of champagne, nectarine, blackcurrant, ozone, violets, beech, juniper, sea moss, amber, and teakwood. All right, my favorite scent. I didn't know she had it. We have Apple Bath. Avo Bath. I love this. I have it downstairs in bath bomb form. I have it in wax melt form and a lotion. And the wax melts were running low, so I'm glad I got one more. All right. This literally smells like pumpkin French toast. And as you guys know, I'm not a bakery scent or a food scent person. But this I can actually deal with. Because it's French toast versus something, you know, with a crust or something. It just, like, it smells more like cinnamony and clovey. Let's see what the profile is. French toast from the griddle, stuffed with pumpkin, seasoned with spices and maple. All right. Another one that I got specifically just for the shape. Wait a minute. Is this a scent she's had before? This smells like I probably have glitter all over my nose at this point. I feel like I've smelled this from her before. This is Lumberjack, and I have a whole pouch full of them. This is a blend of woodsy notes, light florals, patchouli, cashmere, vanilla tonka, and musk. I love these. They're adorable, and plus they smell amazing. Next we have vanilla pumpkin pie tart. Yeah, this is the kind of, this smells like bakery with a crust. So this will probably go to my daughter-in-law. Candy Unicorn. It's another little sample. I'm on the fence. It's just a popsicle like the other ones. Oh, cute! Pink drink. Adorable. What does pink drink smell like? It does smell like a pink drink. That's so cute. Blueberry pancakes. Why did I get blueberry pancakes, you might ask? That smells like a freaking blueberry. Because of the shape. As you guys know, if you watch my videos on Instagram, I love just showing unique shapes on my Instagram. That's why I don't buy a lot of the clamshells or huge shape like loaves that I'll have to cut into, because I'm all about the visual. This is a lavender juniper, and this is also one of those little cute shapes. So I got two of these, by the way. That there. All right. Banana stuffed French toast. Another one that I got specifically for the shape. Yeah, this is not going to be one of my favorites scent-wise, because this does smell like bakery. But it's freaking beautiful. Look at the shimmer on it. She's just freaking a magician when it comes to shapes. I keep saying to myself, maybe I should start making some wax melts just for me at home. Or maybe I should start making bath bombs. And I'm sure I could do it. I'm a hugely creative person. I love color. But ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. I'd rather somebody else do the work because they like to do it and they enjoy doing it. And I just chill and enjoy. All right. This next one is called Cozy Cashmere Fireside. This thing smells freaking amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh, Lord. Look at this thing. I'm sorry, I spent more time smelling it than even showing it to you. It is gorgeous. It is humongous. And it is scented in a blend of cozy cashmere, cedar, and marshmallow fireside. I really love this. Really love this scent. All right, so I'm trying to close these back up. We had the cozy cashmere fireside. We had this radiant maple lane. Oh my bad, I forgot there was one more in here. We have pink chiffon. Yes, it smells like what I thought it would smell like. The scent notes are blend of fruits, vanilla orchid, sweet vanilla, and chiffon musk. The prettiest sounding blend ever. All right, so then the next one that we had was the banana stuffed French toast. We had the pumpkin stuffed French toast. We had the, I'll put these all in backwards, blueberry pancakes. We had the lumberjack. And then we had a bunch of samples. Vanilla pumpkin pie tart. We have Avo bath, which I am extremely grateful for. We have the pink drink. The candy unicorn. And the lavender juniper. Oh, my bad. The champagne coast. All right, guys. That's all that I have from Twilight Garden Wax. I might just keep this box up here for the upstairs since I have so much stuff downstairs. And I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.